Coach, good evening.
Good evening.
Second week of Asante Kotoko youth team, Eguso, Ekoso, the new generation. So far, process I do say.
Thank you very much for that question. I mean, sir, yes, this is the end of the second week, and the Ayehunu, at least as a technical team, the Ayehunu, and my Arashemu, and that's what say. The future will be brighter than we are even anticipating. I think their higher trick now, my say 2 weeks, more of players are young kasa yako scout yen na yedi any who na ma mobile. Now, I show about close to 60 players. Since year 27 now, up to today, it's very encouraging, and we hope that it will continue that way. But like I said the first time, a process. Inti baby I do this year, and I ma opportunity to omo do Kumasi Asante Kotoko, omo pe Kumasi Asante Kotoko, asem omo Kumasi a bia omo wo Coles players from 17 years and below omo for say omo wo bibia omo betimi dia boa project into omo massa players emrap Monday by 3 o'clock na yen share omo so but caveat kakra wo ni say se nipa no ba na omo ayekita omo sisia no nipa no standard endu omo dia ene ahombrase mu ye be ma na asako but se ni standard no du omo anase or ye better than them. Of course, I mean you need the players a beboa the future of Asante Kotoko, and we cannot overlook that. We will actually keep them. Indeed, that is where we have gotten to now. From 60 to 27 players now. We are still looking forward from what will happen from Monday.
Coach, because we say Monday, we be mu net them ama obiaba. I just turn a Ashanti regional base players name and I say net maybe wider.
Ashanti region, Kumasi specifically, because we can't Ashanti region Obuasi count. Other towns are outside Kumasi account, but we want to focus now on players. Coles players are a walk Kumasi. Coles players, division players for now. Into that is where we want the emphasis to be. Obibisa me that say nipa na 17 na or second division and now division 1 cry into me shanana. There is a little challenge there. You per se you Coast players no for now. Into we are not going beyond Kumasi.
Coach, then one more thing and last thing. Supporters no me say you can't youth team once mana energy kakra wo e mo encourage nti na why head and leader na will lead the program assemble and assemble na beka e dey ache fans any and labels of Asante
assemble the tiawa omunya arehemu say e betiti players omu bebo Asante Kotoko if free hopefully by next season and next 2 seasons Asante Kotoko be sign afani into mapa ifra yen kase omo bosses ya no nyade nanso youth na ye de ba be ka ho no ombe hyem nkran ombe ma egina ho na support base no so any age. I think it's just as simple as that.
Yes, well, that's it.
Right. Are you getting the lesson? Okay. You say again Monday. Monday.